I'm just outside the world's first 6S robot store. Let's go take a look and see what we can find. So I finally found the robot store, as you can see here. Let's go inside and take a look.
This isn't your average electronics shop. This is the world's first 6S robot store. Think of it like a 4S car dealership, but for robots, with 2 extra S's, leasing and customization.
Apparently we have a robot machine that will make you a coffee. Let's see if we can try it out. All right, let's go here with something like this. Temperature, ooh, I can have it iced. Okay, let's go pay. All right, WeChat Pay. So we got the cup. All right, so filling it with ice. Now there's coffee coming in. Where's it going? Oh, I don't even put a lid on? That's a cool feature. Hello. Okay, so I have my Cafe Anno coffee. I have my Cafe Anno coffee. Let's see how it tastes. Pretty good. I'm assuming this is a massage machine. Oh, I so want to try this. This is cool. This is a drone with a loudspeaker. Obviously, the cool robots.
From robot waiters to industrial powerhouses, this place feels like a peek into the future. Shenzhen doesn't just talk about innovation, it sells it by the kilo.